2, 1.
Oh, that's perfect. Oh my God. Wow.
You can rush her with hugs. You can come. Please show her love.
Oh, you look gorgeous. Looks beautiful.
Kelly, there's no one in the entire world that means more to me than you do. And standing here today, I feel so incredibly blessed that we get to share this moment together with our families and friends. When we first started dating, I couldn't help but have the feeling that this is too good to be true. Today, 8 years later, I have the exact same feeling. I will stand by your side in all things, the highs and lows, and always find agreement in everything that we do as husband and wife. I promise to make you happy, to make you laugh, to cherish you, and to always be there for you. Soon we will tie this knot forever, and I can't help feeling some regret, wishing that we'd have done this sooner. But understand within my heart that marriage or not, the way I feel for you has and always will be the same. You are the best thing that's ever happened to me, the love of my life, and while it's been a long time coming, I want nothing more than to be your husband, and I'll be more than grateful to fight for life.
Before I ever met you, I always believed my next relationship would be my best and my last. So I waited a long time for someone truly special to commit to. The moment I first saw you, the attraction was instant. One thing I didn't anticipate was that I could find somebody who makes me feel so unconditionally loved. Somebody I feel safe to share my whole heart with, even my insecurities. Because I know you'll hear me, support me, and build my confidence. I promise to support you, to be there for you, at a moment's notice, to be your strength in times of worry, and to be a voice of positivity when you are down. I promise to love you loyally and not give you cause to doubt that. I will strive to remind you always that you are the only man I see. Finally, and most importantly, I promise to actively choose you every day.